Welcome to our guide on human resources. Today, we are diving deep into learning and development. Often referred to as L&D, this is a critical function in any successful organization, focusing on how we build employee skills and capabilities for the future. So, what exactly is learning and development? At its core, it is a function of human resources dedicated to improving the performance of individuals and groups. It is not just about sending people to courses. It is about aligning employee goals with the overall vision of the company to ensure mutual growth. You might wonder, why should companies invest in this? First, it massively boosts employee retention. People stay where they can grow. Second, it increases performance by closing skill gaps. And third, it drives innovation, keeping the business competitive in a changing market. We can break L&D down into three main pillars. First is training, which focuses on immediate skills for the current role. Second is education, which is broader and prepares someone for a future role. And third is development, which is about long-term personal growth and unlocking potential. Before we start teaching, we need to know what to teach. This is where training needs analysis comes in. We look at the organizational goals, the specific operational tasks, and the individual employees to identify exactly where the gaps in knowledge or skills exist. There are many ways to deliver learning. E-learning is popular for its flexibility and cost-effectiveness. Instructor-led training offers valuable interaction and group dynamics, and on-the-job training provides practical, hands-on experience in a real-world context. A famous concept in this field is the 70-20-10 model. Research suggests that 70% of learning happens through experience and daily challenges. 20% comes from social interactions and mentoring. Surprisingly, only 10% comes from formal coursework. How do we know if it worked? We often use the Kirkpatrick Model. We measure 4 levels: reaction, did they like it? Learning, did they get the skills? Behavior, are they using the skills? And results, did it actually improve the business bottom line? The field is evolving quickly. We are seeing a rise in microlearning, which uses short, focused bursts of content. Gamification uses game mechanics to boost engagement. Artificial intelligence is allowing for personalized learning paths, and virtual reality is revolutionizing safety and technical training. In summary, learning and development is an investment, not an expense. By fostering a culture of continuous learning, organizations ensure they remain agile, innovative, and successful. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep learning and keep growing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.